Wow! Can you believe it? Vybz Kartel's Freedom Street concert tickets were gone in a blink. The website crashed under the pressure of thousands of fans trying to secure their spot. Fans went wild, sharing their excitement and frustration on social media. This is huge, people. The anticipation was palpable, and the demand was unprecedented. We're talking about a concert in Jamaica, the heart of reggae and dancehall music, headlined by none other than Vybz Kartel, the world boss himself. His influence in the music industry is undeniable, and his fans are some of the most dedicated you'll ever see. The demand? Off the charts. Tickets sold out in mere seconds, leaving many fans in disbelief. The ticket sales charts skyrocketed, reflecting the immense popularity and the high demand for this once-in-a-lifetime event. Clearly, people are craving that world boss energy. Fans adorned in Vybz Kartel merchandise, holding posters and chanting his name, show just how much they adore him. It's more than just a concert. It's a celebration of his legacy and music. This isn't just about music. It's about cultural impact. It's about a movement. The Freedom Street concert is a testament to the power of music in bringing people together, celebrating Jamaican culture, and creating unforgettable memories. Vybz Kartel, even behind bars, can still bring a whole island to its feet. That's power. His influence transcends physical boundaries, proving that his music and message resonate deeply with his fans. The murals, the signs, the flags, they all tell a story of unwavering support and admiration for an artist who continues to inspire and captivate. Let's be real, Vybz Kartel is a big deal. His music? Global. His influence? Undeniable. This concert proves it. People were ready to spend their hard-earned money to be a part of this, to feel the energy, to experience the legend. This concert is a testament to his lasting impact. He's a voice for the people. He's an icon. And his fans? They're loyal. Now, some folks complained about the ticket prices. But hold up. Before you jump to conclusions, let's take a deeper look at what you're really paying for. This isn't just any concert. This is history in the making. Imagine being part of an event that people will talk about for generations. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Think about it. The production, the security, the venue, it all adds up. The meticulous planning, the state-of-the-art sound systems, the lighting, and the overall ambiance. Every detail is crafted to give you an unforgettable experience. Plus, this is an investment in Jamaica's economy. The influx of visitors boosts local tourism, and the ripple effect is felt across various sectors. Every dollar spent goes back into supporting local businesses. From food vendors to souvenir shops, everyone benefits. It's a win-win situation. And let's not forget the potential upgrades to the National Stadium. The revenue generated can lead to better facilities, not just for concerts, but for sports and other community events. This concert is bigger than just the music. It's about community, culture, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So when you think about the ticket price, remember, you're not just buying a seat. You're investing in an experience that transcends the ordinary. Speaking of the economy, this concert is a goldmine for Jamaica. Local vendors, food stalls, transportation services, they're all gonna benefit. Tourists will flock to the island. Hotels will be booked solid. The impact will be felt across the board. This is what happens when you support local talent. It creates a ripple effect of economic growth. Vybz Kartel isn't just an artist, he's an economic force. Section 5, Local versus International, a matter of support. In the world of music, support can make or break an artist. It's not just about the talent, it's about the community that stands behind them. Remember when Chris Brown performed in Jamaica? It was huge. The energy was electric, the crowd was massive, and the support was overwhelming. Fans from all over came to witness an international star light up the stage. But imagine the impact when we support our own artists on that scale. Think about the potential of our local talent when given the same level of enthusiasm and backing. The energy, the excitement, and the pride would be unparalleled. Vybz Kartel's concert shows that Jamaica has the talent and the fan base to rival any international act. His performances are a testament to the incredible potential within our own borders. The passion of the fans and the skill of the artist create a magical experience. It's time to shift our focus. We need to recognize and celebrate the talent that exists right here at home. By doing so, we can elevate our music scene to new heights. Let's invest in our own. Supporting local artists isn't just about attending concerts. It's about buying their music, sharing their work, and spreading the word. It's about creating a sustainable environment where our artists can thrive. Let's build our own stars. We have the talent, the creativity, and the passion. All we need is the collective effort to nurture and promote our artists. Together, we can create a vibrant and dynamic music industry. The talent is there. The support needs to match. When we come together as a community to support our local artists, we not only uplift them, but also enrich our own cultural landscape. Let's make a conscious effort to champion our own and watch our music scene flourish. Section 6. Gearing up for the big day. To all the vendors out there, get ready. This is your time to shine. Stock up on those patties, jerk chicken, and red stripe beers. The world will be watching. Let's show them what Jamaican hospitality is all about. This is more than just a concert. It's an opportunity to showcase our culture, our food, and our entrepreneurial spirit. Section 7. A toast to the lucky ones. To those who snagged tickets, congratulations. You're in for an unforgettable night. This is a once-in-a-lifetime event. Soak it all in. Sing your heart out. And represent for Jamaica. This is a testament to the power of music, the power of culture, and the power of Vybz Kartel. Section 8. More than just a concert. At the end of the day, this concert is about more than just music. It's about unity. It's about pride. It's about Jamaica. It's about